The sound of a lawnmower. Maybe you haven't heard it in a while because we've had all the dry weather, but I wouldn't be surprised if you hear it today or maybe even going into the weekend because we have dry weather today and also perfect time on Saturday and Sunday. It's also going to be a little more comfortable as far as the humidity, but temperatures are going to be into the lower 80s Saturday and a touch warmer on Sunday. But either day, you're going to have no problem getting that mower out, and I anticipate that we're probably going to be using those a little more regularly than what we did at the end of June. Outside, we do have the warmth to help that grass grow. We're sitting at 79 in Fremont, 75 in Norwalk, and we have 77 for Defiance, Wauseon, and the same for Monroe. Adrian, your current temperature reading is sitting at 76 degrees. That's actually somewhat similar to where our dew point is. We're finding a dew point today at 65, and we are going to see that that leads us just into the top edge of that a little muggy, and that's exactly what it feels like outside. So the humidity, thankfully, we're no longer in these higher categories, but it is starting to just feel a little bit more comfortable outside. Northeast winds do help with that, but you will find actually as far as the rain talk, well, we don't have much to talk about today. Things are quiet here on your Doppler radar. The hour-by-hour forecast, though, isn't going to keep that clean sweep there. We do have a few clouds that'll just be in and out throughout the day today, and even by this afternoon, no problems to maybe grab a bite to eat on the patio for dinner. Overnight, though, we will notice that the clouds start to thicken, and that'll actually be a little bit closer to daybreak because we are going to see some rain chances moving through mid to late morning, and by lunchtime we still will be looking at some scattered showers and even some thunderstorms will be in the mix, but the heaviest of rainfall, we're actually going to see that trend off towards our south and west. But as the system pulls out, your Friday evening plans, here we are at 8 o'clock, looks like our weather is going to dry out, so you'll have no problems no matter what you have booked outside. Now the rain totals, we're going to be keeping an eye to those because of course they'll be heaviest where we see our heaviest rain further south and west. But I anticipate everybody is going to pick up at least a few of those scattered showers, but it's not going to add up to all that much. Your extended forecast will have highs today into the mid 80s, a little bit cooler to get us out of the work week and into the weekend. Dry weather Saturday and Sunday, and even Monday we're going to have some sun in the forecast for you. But it's the middle of next week. We'll be watching for our next rainmaker. That's also when temperatures are going to warm. Monday, 89, Tuesday, 87. Then we'll be into the lower 80s as we get towards next weekend, and we're still holding on to a dry pattern by Friday and Saturday. It's a good looking forecast, Amanda.
All right.